Hello, I'm Barbara Foster from Handy Hands, and I'm going to show you how to use the Clover Picot Comb with a shuttle. I have already made 5 double stitches, and now I'm going to take the thread and I'm going to go into the 3rd spacing of the comb. I'm going to wrap it like this, hold it, and then I'm going to start to make my double stitch. And when I bring it over, snug it very tight, hold it, and do the 2nd half of the stitch. You can see I've got one on there. Then I wrap it in the 4th position, the 4th space here. Snug it tight. If I need to make my ring bigger or smaller, I can still do that. You continue making the spaces using the thread going behind the comb in the 6th position. I continue making my double stitches and wrapping the thread around the picot comb. And as you can see, I have several on here now. I find it is easier when I want to just continue with the rest of my double stitches if I just take the comb out. Then I can continue making my double stitches. I have now closed my ring. The picot comb makes it very easy to have different lengths of picots. Thank you for watching.